This dress doesn't fit me. The worst wedding dress I've ever tried on. Look at these booby pads. Oh my goodness, I do. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so excited to film today's video. Today's video is going to kind of be a part 2. I recently uploaded a video where I tried on wedding dresses from Wish. Today, we're going to be trying on some wedding dresses from eBay, and fingers crossed, there's one package that hasn't arrived and there is a play suit, and I'm hoping that the package that hasn't arrived isn't the play suit, because I'd really like to try on a wedding play suit. Okay, I'm gonna start with this one. This seems to be one of the more bulky packages. Ooh, ooh, ah, okay, hello. Ooh, I could be like, why did I want to say Princess Leia? I don't think, does she have anything around her head? Which I assume is a belt. It's really long. So I will look up and see how you put that on. Then we have this dress, which feels very soft. Very soft. This lace is actually pretty darn good quality. Okay, I've turned the exposure down and now I look really brown. I promise I'm not that tan in real life. My camera it's just lighting and stuff, you know? Anyway, I've turned it down so that you can see the dress better. So this is the top portion of the dress. As you can see, it is shoulderless, sleeveless. This is what the dress looks like. It does actually have quite a nice structure around the booby pads, and it feels like it might have metal in it, so hopefully that will hold it up nicely. Then the back of the dress has this corset again, and I believe somewhere there is, here we go, there is the tie to do the corset, which I'm not looking forward to. I hate putting corsets on behind me. I am meant to have someone help me, but no one is home. Okay, so this is dress number 1. I had to do my own corset, and it definitely could be pulled a little bit tighter, but I just can't manage it. I cannot do it behind my own back. So this is what the dress looks like. The dress is actually holding pretty nicely. It is obviously corseted onto my body, so that's holding nicely, but then these bits are also holding up quite nicely. They're not falling down. I don't feel like it would fall off at any point. I do think it is for someone with maybe a little bit of a bigger booby situation going on than I have, but it is a pretty decent, beautiful train. Like, look at this. That is so nice. I really like it. I don't know if maybe I'm just easily pleased. I'd actually give this dress like an 8-9 out of 10. I've just found out I can't bend over in this dress. Right, this is how I'd normally bend. I can get this far, that's it. So I have to bend like this and twist my knees, otherwise they go too far. So this is how I now bend down. I did forget to put on my little belt. Ta-da! Oh, I don't know if I like that. I think I prefer the dress without it. Let me see how much this dress was. This dress was £30. 30. If you're in America, that's like $38 or something. Just let that sink in for a second. £30, and it's kind of beautiful. This looks to be interesting. Are you inside out? No. I am confused. You have a little halter neck top like this, which is all fine and dandy. And then, I don't know if you can tell, but on the inside, let me turn the exposure down. You still can't see. You cannot see. But on the, oh, there we go. If I do this, on this half, the inside is lace. But if I hold this and do this half is not lace. Like, just half of it is lace underneath. If you can barely see it, what's the point? If this had a slit in it, then maybe I could understand, but it just, it kind of does have a slit, but not, just see what it looks like on. I'm hoping it'll just look better on. I will say though, extremely sheer. I mean, hi, welcome, how are you doing? This is the worst wedding dress I've ever tried on. Out of all of them, this is the worst. It gets an immediate 2 out of 10. And I know what you're thinking, it doesn't look so bad. I'm being really harsh, but let's just go into this. Number 1, it's not very comfortable. It's actually really quite itchy and a little painful around my neck. So there's that. The whole dress is pretty much held up by this, and it's not very comfortable. Number 2, I did use my correct measurements and buy the dress going by what my measurements said I should buy. clearly wrong. It's a little bit too big, in fact quite a lot big. Number 3, you can see my bra through it, to which you may say, don't wear a bra, problem solved. Apart from the fact this is lace and has holes in it, and therefore if I didn't wear a bra, then you see this hole here? Pretty sure there would be a nipple sticking through it. So that doesn't really work. They haven't thought that through. And then final point, and this is what I was trying to show you when I was holding it up. Half of this is cute lace and half of it is not. But what's the point when you can barely see it? I mean, really? Really? And the slit is here. So you're gonna see this much lace. Whereas in the photo online, the slit came from here and went down so you could see the lace and it made sense. This slit isn't really making sense. So I'm gonna go ahead and give this dress a 2. If there are adjustments you think could be made or ways it could look better, I've just seen a little baby in a bear costume and that's really, really, really cute. Anyway, if you could think of ways to make this dress better, let me know. I personally cannot wait to take it off. So 2 out of 10 for this one. Toodle pip. Oh, and this is what it looks like from the back. Fancy, eh? I think I remember ordering one in ivory, and I'm going to assume this is it. I don't even know what colour I'd say that was, but that to me is just past ivory. Isn't ivory like just off-white? This looks almost brown. I can't comment too much until I've tried it on, but I don't think I'm gonna like this dress. As you can see, the sleeves are maybe down to my elbows. It has a little V-neck and then it's kind of a midi dress with ruffles around the hem. And we'll just see what it looks like on. This dress doesn't fit me, but I felt like I couldn't put it in the video and not try it on. So here's me trying on this dress. Will not budge any further up my arms. Maybe, it feels like maybe, but it feels like it's ripping a little bit. I think I've ripped it. Oh goodness. Yeah. I can't get it to go up my arm. I cannot actually fully get the sleeves up, but I think you get the idea. I just wanted to show you what it looked like. It's not on me properly. It's definitely not done up at the back. But I just wanted to show you what it looked like on. The dress is a little longer at the back, which I think is really cute. I really like the length of it. I quite like the colour, and if it fit me properly, I think I would love this dress. Just maybe not to get married in. I don't think I would get married in a dress this unwedding dress like. I don't know, I want a simple wedding dress, but this to me just screams general summer party dress. Next wedding dress. Oh, this is from Grace Karen. Apparently. I got it on eBay. I don't know, but apparently it's Grace Karen. Let's open it, see what. Ooh, ooh, we're feeling, ooh. Now that is silky. It is pretty long. I don't think it's as long as the first dress, but it's pretty long. It feels pretty weighty. And then at the top we have, oh no. Why do all these companies do this? Why is this a thing? Let me show you. If I unzip this, look at these booby pads. Why are they like that? I just feel like it looks so obvious and strange. But on this dress, they have carefully done it where most of the lace is. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, this is the next wedding dress. I do quite like this dress. What I will say though, is that it's pretty tight on my hips. And as you guys know, I mention this practically every video, I don't really have nice curvy hips. So for something to be tight on my hips is a little odd, especially when it's so loose around my waist. Like, there's just so much bulk here. If I pull the fabric behind me, then this is the kind of shape I'd expect it to have. But it kind of doesn't. Normally, because of my shape, when I buy stuff, things are tight around my waist and loose around my hips. But this is tight around my hips and loose around my waist. So I don't know if this is for someone who has smaller hips or whether it's just not made perfectly well. Who knows? It is comfortable, it's sitting nicely, it's a little bulky here, but that's it with the fit. The bottom half of the dress is really soft and very nice. The top half can be a little itchy. If I do this with my arms, that's a little uncomfortable, and then there's a little bit of something going on under my armpit that just isn't the most comfortable, but not so uncomfortable that I couldn't wear it for a day. Lengthwise, right now, I am fully on my tiptoes, as high as they will possibly go, and the dress is just touching the floor slightly. So that's how long it is, and for reference, I am 5'5½"-ish, I think. You would have to go braless or get a bra with like a see-through strap, because you can see my bra underneath this, but the booby pads aren't so bad once it's on. When I was holding it up, they looked a little bit ridiculous. Now it's on, they've done that quite well. So overall, pretty happy with this dress. Just wish it cinched in a little bit more around my waist. But other than that, this is a pretty cute little dress. I'm gonna give it like a 6-7. It is a pretty nice dress, I just wish it was more tailored. Also, make sure you let me know in the comments what all of your ratings are for the different dresses. Okay, we have 2 more packages. Please can we all pray for me that one of these is a play suit? Please. I'm gonna go with the smallest package, because there's more likely chance this will be a play suit. Please be a play suit. Oh! It's from ASOS. It's from ASOS, but I swear I bought it on eBay. So immediately off the bat, this just doesn't look like my style for a wedding dress. It looks very, very floaty, very floaty, very, very long. I don't know if you can see this. It's all the way down to the floor. It has long, like, magician arm sleeves. I don't know. They're very, very large, flowy sleeves. It is a V-neck, and then it has in it, oh, just got myself in the face with it. It has this massive ASOS tag that says that if it's returned in unsuitable condition or without the tag, blah, 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 they might not refund it, which is fair enough. And I'm assuming it's got this giant tag so that people can't wear the bridesmaid's dress the one time for the one day and then send it back. Okay, I've just looked at my order on eBay. This is a jumpsuit, apparently. It's not a play suit, which I got really excited for. It's a jumpsuit. And so I think these are, yeah, look, there are legs. I really thought I'd ordered a play suit. I got really excited about it. Jasmine needs to read descriptions properly when she's buying stuff, but she doesn't. Oh, I'm sad. My goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is the jumpsuit play suit thing that I got so excited to receive. I don't even know where to start on this item of clothing. Let's start with the most obvious thing. This dress is so low cut. It's unbelievable. As in, I just don't know how you, like, if you've got the confidence to wear this, good on you. I could not leave the house like this without a bra on, which I assume you're not meant to wear with this, but geez Louise. I mean, look at it. If I didn't have a bra on, my nipples would be out, I'm telling you now. Second thing, I feel like a bit like an angel, which, to be fair, is quite a nice thing. Angel Jazzybum at your service. I am here. Oh, I'm getting cramp in my foot. Next point, very, very sheer. I don't think you can see it on camera, but very, very sheer. And then on to the final piece, the fact that it's a jumpsuit, which I got so excited about. And it is a jumpsuit. I'm not arguing with them or disagreeing. It does have 2 legs, which are very hard to show you, but look, there are 2 legs. But I just don't see the point in them, really, because when I'm wearing it, it doesn't feel like I have 2 legs. I may as well just have a dress on. I don't see the jumpsuit point of it. You know, I don't know if that's explained it very well. I'm just not really enjoying this. Very comfortable, very soft material, fits nicely. I just would not wear it, full stop. Or if you're American, period. I'll tell you what, this would be great for a dance piece where you want a lot of movement and flow. Da 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 da, da da, da da da, da da. There's a lot of movement in this. I think if you want, you know, ASOS bridal dance piece, and put a bra on underneath maybe. Okay, so I went ahead and purchased another veil. This time I knew I was buying a veil, and I got it with, well, that just broke off. That's not good. So I bought it with a little clip this time, so I should be able to clip this in and then throw it over and hit the lampshade and live out all of my wedding dreams, saying I do. As you can see, it has 2 tiers with scallop edging. I'm learning. I think they're scallop edging. If they're not, I've just made a fool of myself. But I believe they're scallop edging. And then they have these beautiful, let me show you up close. They have these beautiful little lace flowers with pearls in there, and the sun has just disappeared. Look how dark it's gone. This is why you can't shoot natural light in the UK. And there should be sun in 3, 2, 1. Are we getting lighter? I think we're a bit lighter. Are we lighter? Are we back to how we were? Okay, final dress. Dun, 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 dun. Ooh, ooh. Okay. Whoa. Dress. It looks like. Ooh. Wait, let me pick this up for you. This dress has come with. I did that with my foot because I'm a monkey. This lovely, beautiful wedding dress has come with an accessory. It's come with a lovely, bright orange smartwatch type thing. I don't think this was meant to be in the package, but I mean, sure, thanks eBay. Oh yeah, I'm gonna wear this on my wedding day. Back to the wedding dress. This is the dress. It is off the shoulder, it comes in a little bit and then poofs out into a nice poofiness, which I really like. It's actually a really nice dress. I wouldn't personally wear it, and I personally don't find it flattering on me, but as a dress, it's pretty nice. It is a nice material. It's obviously fully adjustable with the corset. It's also got a bit of length, so I think that could be tailored if you're a little bit taller or if you want to wear big heels. It can be tailored. It's pretty floaty, so you could of course put on the big fluff ball things underneath if you want more of a big ball gown kind of dress. It does have structure up top. It is holding, it's not falling. So in general, really good dress. On me, I'm gonna say no. There's definitely not as much train as with the previous dress, but there is a little bit of something back there. Look at the detailing on it. It is a really beautiful dress. I love this detailing here. I love this little bit on my hip, and then I love the way that it flares out from that. I just don't personally find this dress flattering on me. So I think this dress would go nicely with the veil. So we're gonna go ahead and put this on. And I'm thinking the short bit goes at the front, going in like this. Oh, all my wedding dreams just came true. Oh my goodness, look at it. This is cute. And this one isn't gonna fall off like the last time. I do. Wait. Yes! That worked! Oh my goodness. Now I really feel like a bride. I'm also feeling a little like I've got a towel on my head and I've just got out of the shower, and also like a runaway bride. I don't really love you, I never loved you, you know? Yeah, I quite like it. This is my little veil up close, and if you're wondering, it cost me £5 for my beautiful new veil. I do. Oh. Has it gone right? Kind of. Oh no, it's kind of puffy. I don't know, do better quality ones fall better? I'm gonna go ahead and get changed out of this before Nicholas gets home. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, give it a big thumbs up for me. I love you guys a lot, I appreciate you, and I will see you on Friday at 6 p.m. Bye, love ya.